What's up guys? So, this year, iPhone team is looking busy, and it might have a new handset ready as soon as the month of May, or maybe sometimes during June. Yes guys, according to a new report from a website, Digitimes, Apple is working on a new iPhone SE, which could be known as the iPhone SE 2. According to the website, the SE2 will come with a slightly revamped design, including a glass back that would allow for wireless charging. To keep its price down, Apple will likely ditch 3D depth sensing feature for the handset. So there will be no animoji types of stuffs going to be available for the SE2. From earlier rumors, it was said that the next iPhones are going to be presented during the second quarter of 2018, so you can expect the iPhone SE2 launch during the month of May or June. According to a report, Apple is working on two LCD-based iPhones, including one that has either a 5.7 or 5.8-inch display, and another featuring a 6 to 6.1-inch display. Rumors are also telling that two other Apple handsets are also in the works, and they will come with OLED displays, and will be featuring screens of ranging from 6 to 6.5 inches. So, there is a high chance one of these phones should be the highly anticipated iPhone SE 2. Isn't it? Let me know in the comments section. It is still unclear what else about the design will change from the original SE, such as whether it will retain its headphone jack slot. Digitimes just says the device will be similar to the iPhone SE. Now the question is, how much the iPhone SE 2 cost? According to KGI Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, he said that the iPhone SE 2 will be sold between $649 and $749, which may translate to £649 to £749 in the UK. However, this is still out of my budget, but it is good to see more new iPhones by Apple this year. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, get subscribed to our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.